Welcome back. In this video we're going to do a continuation on this sublimation paper through HIIPOO, because we already tried this paper on a t-shirt and we tried it on a coffee mug. So today we're going to use the same paper. These sheets are 8.5 by 11. This company these are brand new. This company has not made the ones size to coffee mugs and tumblers, but I feel like they will soon. But for right now we're going to use their sheets. This box comes with 110 sheets, 8.5 by 11. So what I did is I printed my image. So the image was 9 by 5.5, and I'm gonna put links of all the items that I'm talking about, descriptions and links in the description box. So for this video we're gonna of course use our paper, and to print I use the 8.5 by 11 and I cut it, and then we also gonna put the heat between 356 and 374, and we're gonna put it at 374. And here's a picture of the broiler little oven that I'm going to be using for this. We're going to use the butcher paper. I use these transfer heat sheets. This was a big sheets that I cut in about 6 pieces, especially to do these sorts of things. And we're going to use the heat tape. First thing that we're going to do, mine is, I just got it out of the box, so I'm just gonna slightly clean it because I don't feel that it's too dirty. And we're gonna take off this here. And the basics of this video is to test the paper, this HIIPOO paper on tumblers. That's basically what we're doing. So here's my image. We're just gonna go ahead and line it up just like so. Make sure that it's nice and straight. Let me bring it a little bit up, just like that. And we're gonna put the tape is a heat. This is a heat tape. Make sure that this is nice and straight. So we're gonna go ahead and put the tape all across, just like that. Make sure that it's nice and tight. Then we proceed to, then we will proceed to add our butcher paper. Some people does not use the butcher paper. I like to use it because this helps you so that if there's any ghosting, it'll happen on the paper, not anywhere else. The ink will not run into your glassware or your drinkware. So here is this ready like that, and then we're just going to put this here just like that, cover it nice and tight. You might want to put a piece of tape inside and then put a piece of tape all across the closure, just like that. And I'm gonna go bring it a little bit this way and a little bit this way so it doesn't just fall off. So here it is. So now let me take you over to the oven. So this is my oven. So right here we have it at the 374 right here, and I preheated it. Right here you're gonna put it on turbo. What that's gonna do is gonna rotate the heat so it doesn't put more heat in one side than another. Okay, so here it is. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our tumbler, and see what I did, all the closures right here. We're gonna put it face down, and we're gonna time it 3 minutes. So I will see you back in 3 minutes. Okay, here we are. It's been 3 minutes. So we're gonna be very careful and pull it out. It's hot, hot, hot. And let's go check it out. Make sure you protect yourself because this is super, super hot. So we're gonna go ahead. If you're planning to open it up just like me while still hot, then you need to use some sort of tool. Like this is my weeding tool, and I'm gonna use it to do that. I used to use my tape more than once, but I decided that it's not worth doing that. Okay, so here's the first one gone. Let's turn it around. Here's the second one gone right there. So this one has no ghosting. When my paper doesn't do any ghosting, then I reuse it. I have reused it for coffee mugs up to 5-6 times until it gets brown and you're just like, okay, I used that enough. Okay, so now just to be sure, you want to grab it like this in case you need to put it in a little longer. You never know. Okay, so you always have to be prepared. Otherwise, it's a tumbler wasted, and that's the end of it. I don't think it's going to be the case of this one. No, I don't think so. So one thing that I said, and I'm going to say it again, and I'm sorry if I'm sounding like I'm repeating too much in my other videos, is that I'm very surprised. I have been doing sublimation for about 3 years, and I have never been able to find a paper that I mean, the colors are so nice and vibrant that it doesn't disappoint. So I'm gonna try to grab it from here, so that I can show you. Look at how beautiful that looks. Look at that. Look at that right there. So I got the image, the SVG. I'm gonna put a link of the person. I got it from a lady on Etsy, and I'm gonna put all the things that we use here. I'm gonna put the descriptions in the bottom. But I am super impressed. This is the new paper I'm using. The colors, that just so beautiful, and I hope you like what you see too. So for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.